All right, here we are, Hurricane Florence 2018. Just got in. Messed up my daggone yard here. I don't know how that get washed away, but it's gone. Okay. Took the neighbor's fence down. So we gotta redo the fencing. That was theirs part. We only paid for this part of the fencing. It's all still intact. However, it's damaged because it's starting to fall down. I'll show you from this angle. As you can see, it didn't blow it down, but it's definitely on that angle, like it's wanting to go down. So that's what that looks like. And the rest of the house looks fine. I'm glad I boarded the windows. I don't think if anything flew into it, but at least it was protected. I don't see any shingles missing. Going around this side of the house, it looks fine. All right.